Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you're well. Learn how to easily add a dot accent above any letter in Microsoft Word with this simple step-by-step tutorial from Backspace. This is perfect for phonetics, math, symbols, Arabic transliteration, Sanskrit nation, or special academic formatting. So let's get started. We can see here an assignment. Now I want to add the leader top of any letter. At first I write text. Now I am write this a text, otherwise you can write b anything. Now I write a. You can increase the size of the font. Then we go to the insert menu, click the symbol drop down menu and go to more symbol. Then make the font is normal text and go to the operators, combining the mark. Find this. Here the combining directical marks. Now I select this. Then we can see here many option. Now I find and select the leader dot. We can see here many option. Now here the combining dot above here. Then click insert. Then click close. Now I decrease the font size to adjust this. Then go back again and added the leader. We can see here. Now here the default added. You can type another text like G and go back again symbol and edit this like C and added this. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.